Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. We take a look here at the daily time frame and we can see that the overall wave count and structure remains intact. The HBAR chart is still expected to rally higher in this cycle, but I have to change my mind below 9.8 cents. So for now, while this is a structure, in the very short term, we don't have any confirmation that a low has formed. Okay, so the local trend is still down. That's very important to understand. So it's not going to be an automated guarantee that the price will turn around there. We have to see how the price reacts to key levels on the smaller time frame. And we're going to take a look at the smaller time frame in a minute. The overall idea, however, is that as long as we're holding above 9.8 cents, and there's still a lot of space, yeah, there is still a lot of space. That as long as that level is holding, we can watch for higher prices. And then one more high should send the price towards 49 cents, maybe even 66 cents in this next wave to the upside, which would be the fifth wave in the white scenario, to complete then a larger time frame, a larger degree top. Or in the yellow scenario, it might be a yellow B wave. We will have to see which effect that has. Overall, after the next high, I would expect a more substantial top to form. That can still change. I mean, for now, we stay in the present. We see that the price is still holding above support. The pullback looks corrective, which means in three waves. So I'm overall still watching for higher prices. Now, let's take a look at the smaller time frame for HBAR then. Now, looking at the smaller time frame, you can see here that we are still holding above the communicated support area. This is essentially just a sideways range. We have seen a rally from the 3rd of February low. There was a strong sell-off. A lot of cryptocurrencies formed at least local lows on that day. A lot of them saw also a substantial rally and then a correction for the last couple of weeks. The HBAR chart is still holding above critical support. So while the invalidation point for the white scenario, which suggests that a larger wave 4 bottomed on the 3rd of February, while the invalidation point is located down here where the red line is positioned at 17.7 cents, the Fibonacci support is a little bit higher. And there is a difference between an invalidation point and key support. So below the support level at 19.5 cents, the 78.6 retracement, further downside becomes much more likely. And it will become very probable that the 1-2 setup to the upside, wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside, that this 1-2 setup will be invalidated. But it's not invalidated, and we haven't even broken below support. So should we see a break below support, then we are entering no man's land. But the break below the red line will mean that the wave 4 never finished, and we're extending then. And then the focus will shift towards the support area on the larger time frame that I just showed you. Now here in the very short term today, we have a bit of a reaction here to that support area, specifically here also to the 78.6 retracement of the smaller move that we observed, also discussed in the last video. And the next resistances, but these are only small resistance levels, are located at 23.9 cents and then 24.8 cents. And then the main level that the price needs to break above is located at around 28.2 cents. This is a critical level, and until we break above that level, the microstructure that you see here on the chart is not going to be so meaningful. This is we're just tracking the waves. This is simply observation at the moment. There is a lot more that needs to happen to really give us more confidence in this wave count. Yeah, so we really need a break above 28.2 cents for some more stability and confidence in the bullish case here. That's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.